good people, welcome back. So today we are preparing African tea, and there we've got 1 liter of milk, 500 ml, 500 ml each, and we will also use about 4 to 5 tablespoons of sugar, about teaspoon of tea leaves, and there we have our tea masala. So stay tuned. So after measuring the amount of water that I needed to prepare my African tea, I then added up my tea leaves, went in with tea masala. I will let it boil, then later on I will go in with my milk. So at this point I went on with my sugar, but just remember sugar is optional. You can either take your tea without sugar or else add your sugar when it's in your cup. So after adding your sugar, let your tea boil for about 5 to 7 minutes. And yay, our tea is ready. So I served mine with some half cakes or ngumus, as we call them here in Kenya. So thank you for watching this video till the end. If you haven't subscribed, kindly hit that subscription button down below. You can also leave a nice comment for your girl. Also drop a like, and you can tell me more what to do on more of my videos. So let's meet on the next one.